Yo guys, welcome back to Jacques Tech channel. Don't forget to subscribe. First things first, this video is about installing EndNote on our laptop. What do you need to do? I'm trying to show you guys that I don't have EndNote on my laptop, so you can clearly see on the top ribbon. If you have EndNote, it should be showing. So let me close my Office Word. Now, next thing I'm going to show you is a website where you can download EndNote after searching. So this is the website. It's called Clarivate, and I'm going to put the link in the description so that if you don't have the software downloaded, you can go on that website. You can use a phone, then you transfer on the laptop. You can use the laptop directly. So the blue ones are the links to download. You just need to click on them once like this, and then you will download the EndNote software. It depends. You can download EndNote 2025, 2021, 20. So each is having the link just below it. The blue ones are the links to downloading those softwares. So basically, let me assume I've downloaded and I have already downloaded EndNote 2025. So let me open it so that we start installing EndNote 2025. So this is the installation dashboard that will come. So you just need to click on I would like a free trial because we don't have a product key. So you click on that and then you click on next. You may read all those information if you want. So this is the information about the EndNote not EndNote but EndNote 2025. So let me just scroll through and then I press on next again. So basically here we need to accept the license agreement to make the next button active. So you can see it's now active, and then you press next again, and then next, and then next again. So guys, this installation process should take place over the internet, because when you're installing EndNote 2025, it will be downloading certain citations and trying to configure out with your Office Word. So when you're not on the internet, it may not install well, and that is why some people end up having problems after installing EndNote 2025 or any version of EndNote. They don't see it embedded in your Office Word automatically, because actually when you install EndNote, after downloading the software and then you install it, it should automatically come when you open Microsoft Office Word. So you need to be over the internet so that you will see this and you don't avoid any mistakes. So I've taken you guys through the steps you need to do to install. So basically I skipped certain parts so that the video doesn't take a long time. So basically we shall go straight to the end of the installation process so that we can confirm after opening Microsoft Office Word. So let me fasten the video a little bit, and then we go up to the end of the video straight away. So this is it guys. I skipped other parts because they were not necessary. So here the selection file is finished, so you can click on done, and then I want to show you guys that it's already in Word. So you have to open your Microsoft Office Word. Now for the second time you're opening Microsoft Office Word, it might be slow. It might be a little bit slow because of the new installation guys, but the second time you open Word, it will be a normal speed. It will just open quickly. That's why it's a little bit slow. So when you see on the top ribbon, you can clearly see EndNote 2025. It's already embedded in our Microsoft Office Word. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Those are the steps to download EndNote on your laptop. See you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be sharing with you good tech tips. Bye bye.